everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time since I've posted a video, so I'm really excited to be back. Today it's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to do a DIY project, and it's a super simple, inexpensive DIY project that you can do. All of the supplies can be purchased at the Dollar Tree. Yes, I said it, the Dollar Tree. So I'm really excited, and let's get started. Supplies that you can purchase at the Dollar Tree to complete your witch's hat. We have the sparkly black pipe cleaners, the witch's hat, black deco mesh, black, orange, and white deco mesh with a metallic accent, orange deco mesh, and we have here the 2 Halloween printed ribbons. And do keep in mind that you can switch up colors or prints of ribbon to anything that you would like to complete your witch's hat. Okay, so the first things that I did were cut the pipe cleaners into thirds. They should be a little less than 5 inches. I removed the word boo that was on the witch's hat along with the buckle that was here. Okay, so the next step is to cut your deco mesh. I'm going to be using this little tool here to speed up the process, but I'm going to cut them into 5-inch pieces. Once you're finished cutting your deco mesh, you're going to want to start by cutting your ribbon. I'm going to cut each piece around 7 inches. Okay, I did want to show you a few pieces of my ribbon. I do like to add this little dovetail detailing. It is completely up to you and whatever your preference is. I just think that this little divot here looks really cute. At this point in time, what you can go ahead and start doing is removing this portion from the witch hat so you can add your decorative mesh. Okay, so I went ahead and removed the black tinsel from the bottom part of the witch hat, and now what I'm going to start to do is add my deco mesh detailing. So what I've done was I've gathered each in the middle, and I will take a pipe cleaner and connect them to the witch's hat. Once you start adding your bundles to your witch hat, you should see it start to take place. You'll just continue to add them until you reach the end of the witch hat. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Also, let me know in the comments if you will be trying this. Thanks for watching.